The mini combination square gives you a square and a miter square in the same tool. The double square is square on both sides and a bit more compact than the combination square. And just like our fixed squares, we added a shoulder to give you extra support when positioning the square on the edge of your stock. With the push of a thumb, it slides out to keep the head level when you need it, then tucks back inside the head, out of the way when you need the base of the square to be flat. Both models feature laser cut notches, every 1/16 of an inch for accurate parallel scribing. The blade of the square can quickly be dialed in to any full inch mark. And that's all thanks to our built-in indexing feature. Just depress the indexing pin and slide the blade toward a full inch mark. When the pin falls in place, lock it up. It's that easy. Now your scribing guides are dialed in for perfectly accurate position relative to the head of the square. The stainless steel blades go through a multi-step process to give them a non-glare satin finish. The scales are laser engraved to an accuracy of 4/1000ths of an inch over the length of the blade. The laser engraving process actually changes the structure of the steel a full 10 thousandths deep, so you'll never rub off or wear through the graduations. The head of each square is compact, measuring just 9/16ths of an inch thick. The mini double square comes with a 4-inch blade. The mini combination square comes with a 6-inch blade. Both blades measure 1 inch wide. Each adjustable square comes with a wall-mountable racket to keep your square right in plain sight, ready to go to work.
KREG Deck Jig System puts a brand new angle on an old approach to building decks. Utilizing tools and basic skills that you already have, this concealed fastener system allows you to build a beautiful, long-lasting deck you have always wanted. Combining the strength and durability of face screwing with proven pocket hole technology to hide the fasteners, this system is the perfect 1-2 punch for a deck that is simple to build, gorgeous, and safe. The core of the KREG Deck Jig System is its solid metal drill guides, which allow you to drill holes and drive screws at the precise angle and perfect depth time after time. The angle of the guides not only hide the screws on the edge of the board, but are optimal for maximum holding power, while the screw depth is precisely controlled, which eliminates overdriving and blowing out the board, or underdriving, leaving exposed fasteners and loose boards. This process is made fast and worry-free by the included depth collars on both the driver bit and drill bit that are set using the gauges molded right on the jig. Once set, just drill the hole, load the screw, and drive it home. The KREG Deck Jig is equipped with 3 drill guides, a center guide, and 2 angle guides. Using the center guide in the center of the joist allows for the most holding power, while the angle guides provide you flexibility by going where the center guide cannot, such as spliced or obstructed ends. The fasteners themselves are specifically designed for use with the KREG Deck Jig, featuring a deep KTX square drive that gives you solid driver engagement, which means no cam outs, self-tapping tip for fast, easy driving, and they are built from case-hardened steel to eliminate bending or breaking. These screws can also be used as face screws for a variety of outdoor projects.
The Fisher Duo Blade is the self-drilling plasterboard plug for fast and easy installation. As another product of the Fisher Duo line, the Duo Blade offers more ease of installation thanks to its more component technology. Its self-drilling tip with 3 sharp cutting blades ensures a clean and effective drilling process. The centering tip allows easy and precise setting of the plug. During assembly, the screw pushes the drill tip forward so that it breaks off at the set point. This enables minimum component thickness and easy screw guidance. The self-cutting thread offers optimum form lock. Its innovative geometry generates less suspense in the thread body and protects the building material. The anti-rotation locks prevent the plug from spinning in the drill hole. The additional expansion ensures higher load values. For easy mounting of loads in plasterboard, the Fisher Duo Blade.
The Pocket Jig 200 by MILESCRAFT. For strong joints in cabinets, shelves, bookcases, storage projects, and more, this kit does it all. Each kit comes with everything you need. Double-barreled, quick-adjust jig with hardened steel bushings, 3/8-inch high-speed steel step drill bit with stop collar, 2 T20 magnetic Torx drivers, the MILESCRAFT connector for quick changes, and all the screws and plugs you need to start and finish your project. Built-in scales let you easily measure your board thickness, and the spring-loaded sled adjust button sets the proper jig position on boards from 1/2 to 1.5 inch thickness. The rotating fence lets you work on new pocket hole projects or repair already joined boards. The recessed clamp pocket allows for secure placement, and strong rare earth magnets make repositioning a breeze. When you're ready to drill, use the built-in depth stop guide to attach the stop collar. The split collar design with flat prevents slipping and rolling, and quickly change from drilling to driving using the quick connector. This entire kit comes in a rugged storage case to keep your jig, bit, drivers, depth stops, quick connector, screws, and plugs in place. It also has built-in compartments to store a MILESCRAFT 2-inch face clamp and the Pocket Jig 100, which are sold separately.
Woodpecker's Easy Edge softens those edges in just a few strokes. Heck, I can probably have all these boards done before I could find the right router bit and get it set up. The sole of the Easy Edge is a perfect 90 degrees. Rest the Easy Edge on the corner of your stock. Bring the blade down until it just kisses the edge and glide along the corner of your board. Repeat until you have the amount of profile that you want. There's an Easy Edge for chamfers, 1/4-inch radius, 3/16 radius, and 1/8-inch radius. Even in highly figured maple like this, the Easy Edge delivers a flawless cut. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Heck, I could do that with my block plane. But unlike a block plane, the Easy Edge limits the depth of cut. Once I make a pass, another pass without adjusting the depth of cut doesn't do anything. The cut can't vary from one end of the board to the other, and the chamfer is always a perfect 45 degrees. Profiles on meeting surfaces match up perfectly. Another advantage to the Easy Edge is that the radius profiles are precise. Taking little bites with a straight block plane gets you something close to a curve, but Easy Edge delivers perfect radius profiles. The precision machine body of the Easy Edge looks a little bit like an old-fashioned molding plane. It's comfortable in your hand, single-handed, or using 2 hands for better control.
So today I'm going to be talking about the HKC carpentry or remodeler saw. This saw is ideal for repeatable angle cuts. You can use it on or off any of the rails that we provide with Festool. It comes with its own FSK rails. There's 3 different sizes, the 420, the 250, and the 670. I'm just going to show you a couple quick applications of what the saw is really designed to do. First one is going to be cutting some stair stringers. I've already set my angle on these adjustables, this adjustable stop right here. All I have to do is just bump it right up. If I'm cutting a 20-foot set of stairs, I can have that one angle set and just keep cutting the same exact angle over and over. Switched out the 18-tooth blade that the saw comes with, and I'll put a 32-tooth blade on there because I want to show the versatility of the HKC. I've got a finished set of skirt boards right here. I've already cut some of the 45-degree miters for the risers. Now I'm just going to go back and cut from the back side, cut the treads out. On the HKC, I can also utilize it without the guide rails that are provided for the saw. It has a very clear viewing window right here that I can look at as I'm cutting from behind the saw. So it's pretty simple to make a cut. If you're looking for a saw that you're going to be doing anything from rough framing material all the way to finished skirt boards, the HKC would be the saw for you. 18-volt, cordless remodeler saw. You can find these at online Festool dealers or your local Festool dealer as well.